Good afternoon, viewers, those watching us on YouTube. This is a special interview that we have dedicated to Catrina Mendy, a young Gambian that has invested in business, and she's making it here in the country. She was a musician and now left music for business. These are the commodities that she sells. We'll be going in details in a while, but for a start, we would like to know who is Catrina Mendy and which part of the Gambia she comes from. Rina?
Good afternoon, Senator.
Sure.
Welcome to Rina Skin Care and Skin Repair.
Sure.
My name is Catrina Mendy.
And congratulations on the new look. The place looks very much beautiful now.
Thank you.
It has been nice though, but it's nicer now.
Thank you.
Really. So, first of all, as I said, we would like to know who is Catrina Mendy and where she comes from.
Catrina Mendy, commonly known as Rina, is a young Gambian, born and raised in Gambia here, from Abuko.
Sure.
Yeah.
From Abuko, you're born and raised in Abuko.
Yeah.
That's right. We've known you as a musician. You were singing before. Yourself and Lil Bins from Talinding.
Yeah.
Back in the days, you switched from music to business. How was the transition? What inspired you, to leave music into business?
This world is all about business. Music itself is business.
Music itself is business?
Yeah.
Sure.
So it depends on which business is going fast.
That's right.
Yeah. I prefer doing business now than music.
Than music, huh?
Yeah. I was at St. Teresa's.
St. Teresa's.
Yeah.
St. Teresa's, then to Charles. But when you were going to school, what was on your mind? Business? Music?
I've always been doing business since when I was going to school.
Sure.
And music also. I started doing my music back in 2007. Then I was just in grade 7.
Yes. That's right.
Yeah.
Now you're in business. You're very much known when it comes to selling organic soaps and creams. How does it all start?
It started when I was going to school. I started doing salon before coming into these organic products. Okay. Yes. I was inspired when I went to Ghana.
Because you went to Ghana?
Yeah. Okay. I was studying there.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm a beautician.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a skin specialist. Beautician.
A skin specialist.
Beautician and a skin specialist.
You're a beautician and a skin specialist.
Yeah.
A lot of people should visit this place, huh?
Yeah.
Talk about that.
I was in Accra for 4 years.
Okay.
And that's where I studied from Face-to-Face College of Beauty.
Face-to-Face College of Beauty.
So my lecturer encouraged me to do business.
Okay.
He told me a lot about the Ghanaian products, which I really see that it was, and my customers really love it.
When you say a beautician, is that what you said? Beautician?
Yeah.
Exactly. You're specialized in beautifying people, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but this has to deal with cosmetics, makeups and all that?
Yeah, sure.
So you do all that here?
Yeah, because we have a salon here as well.
Exactly, because sometimes somebody may like to look a certain way, maybe the skin texture is not proper.
Yeah.
Then these soaps come into play.
Yeah, that's why it's a skin care and a skin repair.
Skin care and skin repair.
This magic soap is a complete treatment for stretch marks.
What's the magic soap? This one?
Pimples, yeah. That's the magic soap.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the magic soap. If you've not seen it before,
this is the magic soap that everyone is talking about.
Yeah.
It's specially made for only Rina Skin Care.
Only available here.
Yeah.
Feel I'm a fan.
Yeah.
Right. Magic soap. Huh? So if you have any skin problem, this can fix it.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why the place is called Rina Skin Care and Skin Repair.
Yeah.
However your skin looks, don't give up. Just come here.
Yeah.
Rina Skin Care will fix it.
Sure.
Yes, we're doing this to promote a Gambian talent. Really, it was in Accra that you studied.
Yeah.
But you've not gone to Europe.
No.
Because some people believe they would have to travel overseas in order for them to be successful in whatever they do. What will you tell those people?
I've never applied a Schengen visa.
I've never applied a Schengen visa?
I've never tried going to Europe to stay.
Okay.
Yes, I've been to Ghana, Togo, China, yeah, Istanbul,
okay.
But I've never tried going to Europe to stay.
Okay.
I believe that I can make it in Gambia.
Okay.
And I thank God now.
Because your source of income entirely is Gambia.
Yes.
That's right. How's the market?
The market is doing fine. It depends on the kind of products you have.
The products that you have?
I'm not afraid of my products because I have the best products. So customers are always coming, so I thank God for that.
These business people, you have the best products.
I have the best products.
So you have the confidence that the market really will work.
Yeah.
So
I import 100 cartons of soap every 3 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's this
from
one,
Ghana. Huh? Yeah, that's this one.
Each is how much?
$400. And people are buying it.
That means it's working for them.
It's working.
Sure.
Yeah. Some people are from UK, Sweden, America. I have customers everywhere.
These countries that you just named, including the Gambia, where do you have the biggest market? Those buying from you, your customer?
From Sweden.
Gambians in Sweden? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. You can send them shout out. Maybe you remember 1 or 2 names of those who normally buy your products in Sweden.
I have so many customers in Sweden. I don't want to mention some and forget some. Some will say, did not mention my name. But well, I want to thank all of them.
Sure.
Especially my Auntie Sally in America. I also want to thank her. She's so kind to me and always patronize me as a Gambian.
A big respect to Gambians in the diaspora that usually support home-based business, because this will encourage the youths to make it here. It will encourage them to believe that they can actually make it here, like Rina is doing.
Sure.
Yes, very quickly, I asked earlier on how the business is doing, and you said it's doing fine, right?
Yeah.
Every 3 months you import 100 cartons of these.
Yeah.
They come from Ghana, right?
Yeah.
How is the importation of products? Because maybe somebody could be watching that would like to do, maybe even not soap, or would like to do something like that. Do you have problems?
Well, if you want to start that one, we will be spending 2 hours here.
The problem?
Because the problem, Africa, from one country to another, is a problem. Especially getting your, if it is China and other countries, it's very easy. But from Africa, from Ghana to Gambia, it's very difficult sometimes.
What is the problem?
And we spend a lot of money.
Okay.
And we also pay tax, a lot of tax.
You pay a lot of tax.
Yeah. So I want to
appeal to the government.
Appeal to the government to encourage young businesses. Yeah.
By probably dropping the tax a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, can you identify? This is soap. We've already talked about that.
This is the magic soap.
Okay.
And I also have the Macari Natural.
Macari Natural.
Yeah. This is a complete. That's the soap for it. This is very good to repair your skin.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's not.
And if you look at this body cream,
can I apply this with me?
Yeah. You can apply this one. For a man, you can apply this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope it will not transform.
It will not turn your color. It will just maintain your color. This that's the Macari. This is Macari Natural.
Because if I apply and I transform,
it have different flavors, but this one is the natural one.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you look at my products, I only bring the good products, the products that will not damage any skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is glue.
Glue tattoo. This is kojic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Great. But the emphasis is on the organic soap. That is African made.
Yeah. They are all organic soaps. Yeah.
Exactly. All these are organic soaps. So.
They are all organic. This one is organic soap. This one. This one is. I can say this one is. They are 100% natural.
Natural. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Now, what final word do you have for those who are watching this program and have not tried your organic soap yet, or any of your products? What advice would you give them?
I want to encourage them to come, because there are a lot of people selling body creams, damaging people's skin.
Sure.
I want to put a stop to that.
You want to put a stop to that?
That's the main reason why I import this Ghana Magic soap.
Sure.
Yeah.
And what encouragement would you give to those who want to do business in Gambia, the ladies, but then they have two minds?
Business is all about confidence. Yeah. You need to get the confidence fixed.
Sure.
Then after, you need to focus.
Sure.
Because sometimes some people will try to discourage you. All you need to do is focus. When I was starting with my business, I started with only that suitcase. The small one you are seeing.
The small one, yes.
I started with that one.
Sure.
Yeah. I keep on believing in myself.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's like the confidence keep you moving.
Yeah, the confidence keep me moving.
Right now that we're having this interview, there's a video that is trending on Facebook, on TikTok. You sell male products.
I sell male products.
Tell me about these male products.
One thing about these male products, first of all, they are herbal medicines.
They are herbs.
They are herbs.
No harm, no side effects.
No harm, no side effects.
Okay.
I want to stop problems in marriage.
Oh, you want to you want to save marriages?
I want to save so many marriages. That's why I bring this.
We have two married men before the camera.
Yeah.
My two camera able guys are married, super married. So, since you have to say, go in details. How do you want to spiritually save marriages? How do you want to save these marriages?
So many people are facing so many problems in marriage because of their performance.
Male performance.
Male performance.
Okay, so you here to enhance men performance in their marriage.
Yeah.
Okay, you have some products that are for men.
Yeah.
These products, how much do you sell them?
They are different prices.
Okay.
Depending
on the buyer.
Yeah, depending on
because
the
people
buyer
have different choices
and the quality also.
Yeah, people have different choices and different problems.
Yeah.
Sure, but the numbers will be on the screen if you want to make further inquiries about those products. Your customers usually, are they men and women who know more?
I have male and female customers because they also so I have more female customers, but also I have some male customers who come to buy the magic soap.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have some Ghanaians too that are selling this Ghana soap, different types.
Different types.
Does it affect your market in any way?
It does not affect my marketing because I have a special magic soap specially made for Rina skincare only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, I asked this because, you know, Gambians, when you say Ghanaian soap, maybe someone will feel like buying it from a Ghanaian, even though you have a better product, but the mindset.
Yeah, the mindset.
Yeah, we normally have this belief that probably a non-Gambian maybe will have the better one or the, you know what I'm saying?
That's one of the problems Gambians are facing.
Sure.
Yeah.
They either buy from an outsider than...
Yeah.
Yes. So, finally, in English, what do you have to say to the viewers?
I want to thank my customers. They brought me this far. A special thanks to them, to my family and my friends for supporting me.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, viewers. If you have not subscribed to Gambiatoday YouTube channel, it's never too late. You can do that now because we will be having interviews like this. We've interviewed Lamin Mane, who's an expert in aluminium and glass cutting. You know what I'm saying? And that video really helped the guy. He got a lot of customers and he's doing a lot of work these days. You know what I'm saying? So we will be doing interviews like this, you know what I'm saying, many times. There are so many Gambian youth that are talented, so we'll be engaging them in conversations for them to tell us about their business and for people to know about them and empower them, seriously. Okay, the whole part of the interview will be coming. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll emphasize it again and again in capital words. If you have not subscribed, do that now. This is my channel, my YouTube channel, Gambiatoday. If you're a Gambiatoday, click that subscription button and be part of the family. We love you all. Thanks so much for watching, and empower Catrina Mendy, you know what I'm saying, Rina Skincare and Skin Repair, right here at Talending. It's next to Talending Bantaba Junction, shortly after Newsrat Junction. When you're coming from Lamin direction to Westfield, it's on the right side. When you're coming from Serekunda Westfield End, it's on the left side heading towards Brikama. The numbers and everything will be displayed on the screen. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. Our next interview is going to be in Mandinka, right at this position.